Welcome back to RT Repairs. It's Robert here. Today we're going to be pulling apart our door panels and our rear hatch panel so we can get to the speakers behind, and we will be pulling those speakers out in a later episode and doing a complete audio system in this Jeep. But for now, sit back and watch us pull these panels apart. So we're going to do 6x9s that are already in here. There's Pioneer 3-ways in there. We're going to leave those in there. Commander's got 3.5s up here. We're going to eliminate those. It's already got a nice Kenwood stereo unit in it. We're probably going to be replacing that with a new GPS unit. As you can see, got 6x9s over there. Let's go back here. We got 4-way 6.5s back here that were just replaced, so we're going to leave those. But we're going to be adding an amp to all of this. So factory amp, which is located right there, will be going away. So the plans back here are to build this area out. We're going to put a subwoofer right here. It's going to be a fiberglass enclosure. It's going to encase this area here. Then we're going to go ahead and do our amplifier flush on the floor right here. Going to be an interesting build. Please hit the bell notification in the bottom of the screen there. That'll let you know when we have new videos posted. You'll get a new notification of that every time we post a new video, so you can be the first ones to watch it. Also, subscribe to our channel. That helps us do videos like these. The more views we get and the more of you guys subscribe, the better off we'll be and the more we can do in the future as far as vehicles, content in general. The Jeep is just the first start of many projects we plan on doing, and many Jeeps we plan on doing, quite honestly. And above all, give us that thumbs up. Whether you like the video or not, give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up mean a lot to us, it means a lot to YouTube, and it shows them how much you really like our video content. So, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, it's Robert with RT Repairs.